When we came to Punta Cana, we didn't have any plan to do a course, a scuba diving course, any kind of a scuba diving course. We just wanted to do one or two fun dives. I don't know how we ended up signing up for an advanced open water course. First dive, it was in Punta Cana, in local dive site, and we just needed to practice to identify different type of fish. For the second and third dive, we went to Catalina Island, which is so beautiful, and we had two dives there. One of the dives was a deep dive, and the other one practicing the navigation underwater. And navigation is a bit tricky, but it's not something difficult. One of the dive was a deep dive. We took a small boat and we went just middle of nowhere in the ocean, and we went down to 25 meters. When you are going down to the water, when you are going deeper, you are losing colors. The first color you lose is red, and then orange, and then others. One of the amazing things we've done and we saw it was swimming with turtle in ocean, and it was amazing. I never seen turtle in the ocean, and it was just wow. Now we are officially advanced open water divers. Sounds so interesting, sounds nice, no? The first time we've done diving, it was in Thailand. You can see the video, I put it here or here, and you can go and check it. It was amazing. I fell in love with diving, and I am so happy I've done it, and I'm going to do it more. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel.